So hello everyone, in the last video we have derived gamma d is equal to z gamma w by 1 plus e. So in this video I'll be deriving the submerged unit weight in terms of this specific gravity and unit weight of water and void ratio. So this gamma submerged. So this submerged unit weight is nothing but gamma sat minus gamma w. So while deriving this submerged unit weight, so I have used one principle, that is Archimedes principle I have used, and I have derived this submerged unit weight. So in the same way here I will be doing the same thing. So gamma submerged is equal to gamma sat. We know what is the relationship? GS plus SE into gamma W by 1 plus E. GS plus SE into gamma W by 1 plus E minus gamma W. So in case of submerged condition, and fully saturated condition, this degree of saturation is equal to 1. In case if the soil is fully saturated, that means if the soil is fully saturated, this air phase will not be present. So if you use the same thing here, then it will become GS plus S is equal to 1, then it will become E into gamma W divided by 1 plus E minus gamma W. So here if you take the LCM, 1 plus E here will be present. This will not change. GS plus E into gamma W minus, so minus of 1 plus E into gamma W, So this gamma W will be the common thing, so that I am taking out. So GS plus E minus into 1 minus 1 minus into plus E, this minus E divided by 1 plus E. So this E and this E will get cancelled out. This E and this E will get cancelled out. So gamma submerged is equal to G minus 1 gamma W by 1 plus E. So the submerged unit weight in terms of specific gravity, unit weight of water and void ratio. So gamma submerged is equal to G minus 1 gamma W by 1 plus C. So how we have derived? So gamma submerged we know. So gamma sat minus gamma W. Gamma sat formula we have already derived, that we have substituted here, nothing new we have done here, and gamma W, as simple as that. So I hope this is useful, and in the next video I'll be deriving gamma D in terms of the bulk unit weight and water content. So thanks for watching my video. If you feel the content is useful, please like and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.